Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start with a new topic, and the topic for today is Chapter 21 Present Continuous Tense. Now, children, you have already learnt about tenses, and you know that tense is about time. So, we have to look at a verb to understand its tense. So let's try to understand the present continuous tense. So look at these sentences, children. I am reading a book. My father is writing. My sister is playing with her toys. My mother is working on a laptop. So children, what are the actions happening in these sentences right now? Am reading, is writing, is playing, is working. Right? All these verbs that show actions that are happening right now are in the present continuous tense. Okay, children? So all these verbs, am reading, is writing, is playing, is working. They are showing actions that are happening right now. So, they are in the present continuous tense. Do you know when do we use the present continuous tense? I'll tell you. Children, we use the present continuous tense to tell what is happening now. Like look at this sentence. My mother is working on a laptop. Now in this sentence, is working is showing something that my mother is doing right now. So when a sentence shows action which is happening right now, it is in the present continuous tense. Okay. So verbs which show actions that are happening right now are in the present continuous tense. Okay, and they have a particular form. That is, are, or am, depending on the person with the ing form of the verb. Okay, children? So children, in the present continuous tense, we use is, are or am plus with ing form of the verb. Okay. What do we use in the present continuous tense? We use is, are or am with ing form of the verb. Okay. Look at these sentences now. I am riding a bicycle. He is riding a bicycle. They are riding bicycles. So children, what are the verbs in these sentences? Am riding, is riding, are riding. Right? Now, in case 1, like in this sentence, I am riding a bicycle. Now here, we know that with I, we always use am. Okay? Now here, he is riding a bicycle. With he, we use is. Okay? Next, they are riding bicycles. Now here, with they, we use are. So children, we use am or is with ing form of the verb for singular. We use am or is with ing form of the verb for singular. Okay? And we use are with ing form of the verb with plural. So children, keep this in mind that we use am or is with ing form of the verb with singular. Okay? And we use are with ing form of the verb with plural. This you have to keep in mind. So children, we have learned that present continuous tense shows us an action or an event that is happening now. Okay? Now we will look at the book exercises. Okay, so let's look at exercise B. Look at the picture, then complete the passage given below using the present continuous tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Alright, now let's read the passage. My hotel is on the beach itself. I dash in the balcony and looking out. Now the verb given to us is stand. Now we know that with I we use am. So we will write am, and then along with that we use ing with the verb. So we will write I am standing. I am standing in the balcony and looking out. Some men and women dash in the sea. Now the verb given to us is swim. Now here we are talking about some men and women. We are talking about plural, right? So for plural we use are. So we will write some men and women are swimming. Swim is the verb given to us. So we'll add ing to it. So some men and women are swimming in the sea. Two tourists dash in the sun. The verb given to us is bask. Now here, what will we write? Here again, plural is given to us. So we will say, two tourists are basking in the sun. Okay, let's move further. A few seagulls dash overhead. Now the verb given to us is fly. So we'll say a few seagulls. Plural is here given here. Seagulls, it's a plural. So we will write are flying. Okay. A few seagulls are flying overhead. Mrs. and Mr. Shivalkar dash on the beach. The verb is walk. So here again, it's plural, Mrs. and Mr. Shivalkar. So we will write are walking. Mrs. and Mr. Shivalkar are walking on the beach. Manan dash a sandcastle. Now singular, right? Manan dash a sandcastle. So because it is singular here, so we will write is building. Okay. So Manan is building a sandcastle and Rhea dash him. Again with singular we'll use is. Rhea is helping him. Alright. An old man dash peanuts, but there are hardly any customers. Sell. Sell is the verb given to us. Now we are talking about an old man, singular, right? So we will write an old man is selling. An old man is selling peanuts, but there are hardly any customers. Okay. Now let's move further to exercise C. Okay, so let's read. Imagine that you are standing at the window of your room. Your mother is inside doing some work. Your dog, Jimmy, is celebrating his birthday in the lawn. Look at the picture below and describe to your mother what is going on. Use the verbs given below. Now you have some verbs which are given in the box here. Okay, so using them you have to fill in the blanks in order to describe what is going on. So children, you will use the present continuous tense of the verb which is given in the box, right? And you know that in the present continuous tense we use is, are or am with ing form of the verb. Okay, so keep this in mind. It is a very interesting scene in the lawn, Mama. Jimmy dash his birthday. Now here we'll first see the words which are given in the box and then choose the word that will fit in the situation. Okay, so we can see that Jimmy is celebrating his birthday, right? Celebrate word is is given here, so we will use is verb plus ing, right? So we will write is celebrating. Okay, Jimmy is celebrating his birthday. He dash at the table. Now Jimmy is sitting at the table, right? Now the verb sit is given to us and we know that with singular we use is, right? So we have used is verb plus ing. So he is sitting at the table. He dash a beautiful new dress. Now we'll use the verb wear in this blank, right? So again with he we use is wearing. Okay, the verb we have used is wear with ing. So he is wearing a beautiful new dress. He dash quite handsome. He is looking quite handsome. Now he dash out the candles. Now what is he doing now? He is blowing out the candles. The bunny rabbit dash. Now what is the bunny rabbit doing? What is the bunny rabbit doing right now? The bunny rabbit is clapping. Okay, so we have written the bunny rabbit is clapping. Now children, you will complete rest of it on your own using the verbs which are given to you here in this box. Okay? So that's about it, children. Complete this work, and with this we have completed the topic present continuous tense. Okay? That's all for today, children. Thank you.